Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like GBP USD, Gold USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 1 hour chart. Yes, not the 4 hours. This is the 1 hour chart of Euro USD in front of us. Right now market is trading at 1.1275. This is the current market price. And if you have watched my yesterday's video, then you know the setup very well because the overall setup of Euro USD has not changed. We got an we got a buy position yesterday when market bounced from this particular level, and the same opportunity is coming up again. But before we proceed, before we take the buy position at this particular level, at the red arrow level, we must understand the overall structure of Euro USD right now and what is going on in the chart of DXY. So let's talk about the chart of DXY first, because DXY's movement is extremely critical for pairs like Euro, USD, GBP, USD and Gold. So this is the chart of DXY 4-hour chart, and if you look at the overall trend of the market, then there is no doubt that DXY US dollar is in strong uptrend right now. But for the last couple of days, DXY was in sideways. This was a sideways market, and right now DXY is standing at the resistance here. But the most important thing that we need to focus here is that though DXY is standing at the resistance, it is not coming down. What is resistance? Resistance is the place of sellers. It is standing at the place of sellers, not coming down. It means that buyers in the market are not ready to surrender. They are still fighting. They are giving their best fight to take the price upward. And what is the overall trend here? Overall trend is also extremely bullish. So therefore, this is a buyer's market. And considering all these factors, there is a good possibility of market breaking the resistance and going up. And if we focus on this particular resistance here, then we can see that this looks like an ascending triangle pattern. We have a resistance here, but whenever market is coming down, market is not crossing the previous lows. Market is constantly forming lower higher lows. Sorry, market is constantly forming higher lows here, and this looks like an ascending triangle pattern. And generally in ascending triangle pattern, we see market breaking the resistance and going up. So there is a good possibility of DXY breaking the resistance and going up, so be careful. Now let's come to the chart of Euro USD here. So Euro USD is approaching the support here. Yesterday I clearly talked that we have a double support in this level, and as per our expectation also, market did bounce here and we got a buying opportunity, and the same opportunity is coming up again. But make sure that when market will be coming down to the support zone of 1.1270 to 1.1 sorry 1.1260 level, market is taking support. If you see that market is taking support, if you see a hammer kind of a candlestick pattern, then only take a buy position. And on the other hand, just make sure that DXY is in your favor. DXY is not in the strong uptrend, because if you see that DXY is an uptrend, then obviously Euro USD will break the support and will go down. Because keep in mind, always keep in mind that these support and resistance levels are not permanent. Okay. Though we have a double support here, but yes, it may break the level as well. So just make sure that when you are buying at this support, DXY is in your favor. That's it. And if it fails, if the support here, the support of 1.1270 to 60 plus the trend line, which makes it a double support. Okay. If this fails, then the next support for Euro USD is available at 1.1235. This level will be acting as the new support, or the next support for the market. Sorry, 1.1235. This will be the next support for the market. If it bounces from here, we can take a buy position, but be very careful if DXY gets extremely bullish. Okay. The reason is that this is the overall chart of Euro USD. What is the trend here? Market is extremely bearish, and things are not very well here, because you can see that when market is trying to go up, just the opposite of DXY, you can see whenever market is trying to go up, it is not crossing the previous highs. So this looks like a descending triangle pattern. DXY is ascending triangle pattern, this is a descending triangle pattern. So these things are completely opposite. So in case of a heavy selling pressure, it will break and start going down. So be careful. Okay, be careful. But today I don't think that we will see or witness some extreme selling pressure. Okay, but when you're buying at the support, just make sure that the market is in your favor. That's it. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow then. And my dear friends, if you are interested in the Pro Trader program, okay, just go to my website. This, because apart from providing signals, I also do many things. Okay, just go to my website abhilashajarika.com. Under the Pro Trader section, you will see all the necessary information, because it's a whole learning opportunity. Bye bye, take care.